Today I want to talk to you about adding automation. If you can look in this red track right here, you see a line and then it goes up and then it drops way down low and then goes back up again into the middle. This is showing me that in this track I have inserted automation. How do I get there? Well, I start by clicking right here with the diagonal zigzag line with the circles. And then I went into automation and hit pan. And pan means moving the sound from center, meaning both speakers, to the left speaker, to the right speaker, and then back to center again. So what I have here is the identical track, the same exact track. We're going to actually do that real quick. So I hit automation here. I want pan. Now, the default automatically is straight up in the center. So that means when I start this file, you'll hear the same thing out of both speakers. Then right at this point, I want this instrument to go to the left. So I'm going to hit a little dot. This is going to put in set an anchor point. So when I set my second dot, the line moves, but you see the beginning of the line stays in the middle. So I'm going to move this up, which means when it gets to this spot in the song, all the sound will go to the left. Moving it to the top is the left speaker. Then, right about here, I want to put another dot. This will anchor this part here so it won't move. I go back over here, and then maybe I want this to go directly to the right. So almost like someone moved across the room and they went from the left side of the room to the right side of the room. The sound will actually travel. So again, I'm going to put another dot here. It's kind of my anchor point. Notice I had to move it a little bit. You're going to have what looks like a Big Dipper, Little Dipper kind of effect. And then here I'm going to put this back pretty much in the center. Now I'm going to mute the original one, and let's just hear what that sounds like. I'm going to solo this track actually. So it starts out in the center. Now I went to the left speaker. Out to the right speaker. Back to the center. So there's automation. The same thing works for volume. So now this is kind of silly because nothing's being played here, but I add a little dot. It's called a node, actually. And then I can move the dots around it up and down to make sections louder. The more you go up, the louder it is. The more you go down, the softer or quieter it is. Hope that helps.